deliver a powerful educative speech, not only for the youth but all of us who are leaders or aspiring to become leaders. The most interesting part of it is that she is performing on the stage with her beautiful mom and sister. Let's see how it goes. Asaliga Nikodie 10.
Meti status womo.
10. It is a DJ 1 etimi pacho eneno eye Asaliga ebeye adia ebroso ya dwini enti asias. Nemo oba eye stage han onene maame inua eba an eba be enti yehwe dia ene Asaliga edi eba.
Anti status na me kan me mfo me ye.
Then
Status no. Status no say wo committee status wo.
Me can't status to be.
Oh, okay. And